Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba. Today, the word that I'm breaking down is a very popular IsiXhosa word called Indutsu. Indutsu. That's the word I'm breaking down today. Indutsu is such a versatile and multifaceted IsiXhosa word. It's layered with insightful meaning and significance. Just like iKaka and Isrhama, Indutsu is something you can be, something you can eat, something you can become in future, or something you can become temporary okwalomzuzu, or it's something you can stay as for the rest of your life. That's Indutsu. And you can see Ndutsu yomntu from a distance. You can see it literally or figuratively. And you know, like Indutsu yomntu, like a literal Ndutsu is never a pretty sight. Easy to pronounce, very easy to pronounce. Indutsu. Indutsu. There you go. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.